How to turn on or turn off online status on Viber. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your Viber app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Viber and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of More. Now click on the option of Settings. Now navigate to the option of Privacy. Now over here, you'll find this option of Your Online Status. To enable it, toggle on for this option. You can change this setting once every 24 hours. If you want to disable online status, toggle off for this option. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily turn on or turn off online status on Viber. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.